You know who probably hedged a bunch of their maturity risk? FRC. Now, let's talk a little bit about banking. So if you're FRC, right? And all of a sudden, all of this HTM duration risk showed up, right? But it's okay, right? Because you've got a bunch of inflation swaps. So if you get a depositor drawdown, you cash out your inflation swaps, sell your hold to maturity at mark to market, right? At par, and you're fine, right? You're back break even with depositor demand. Now, what in the world would possess Jamie Dimon to go and give someone a bunch of his money? Hear me out. Why what would he be trying to prevent there? What in the system is breaking that he doesn't want to break? And then all the other big banks come in and they're like, wait, we'll deposit money with you. It's okay. Don't fail, FRC. What does that remind you of? 2021 a little bit? When Melvin and fucking Robin Hood got bailed out by Kenny? You always cut the head off the snake before it bites you, right? So that means they didn't want FRC going and exercising that inflation swap credit, right? Because then all the other banks are going to do it too. So I think they're big on their swap risks. I think that's why CS is. I think CS took on shitloads of inflation swap risk, probably other swap risk as well. But I think that's why CS was. I think that's why UBS doesn't want to buy them. And I think that's why the Swiss government's pressuring UBS to buy them. And do you want to know why they stopped reporting swaps in CFTC? Because that's a national security risk. Because if you knew that, I don't know, and you had the sovereign wealth of an entire country, you could probably come in and buy the out of US treasuries until all the shorts blew up. Some government was the short destroyer all along. I mean, definitely more of a short destroyer than short destroyer. Say more stuff. Oh, Jesus. I'm just like, why do I bother? You got it, Dave. Melvin buying FRC.